Diagram shows two regular hexagons, O, A, B, C, D, E, which is the small one here, and O, F, G, H, I, J, which is the larger one. It says that OAF, and OEJ are straight lines. The area of the smaller one, OABCDE, is 6 centimeters squared. Calculate the area of the darker orange shaded region. So we need to find the darker orange. Right, this involves using ratio, and because we have the ratio of the lengths, we know that OF is 4 times OA. So if we take hexagon OBCDE and hexagon OFGHI, the ratio of the lengths will be equal to 1 to 4. But we want the ratio of the areas. So of the areas is going to be 1 squared to 4 squared, which is 1 to 16. Right, so we want if we find the area of the larger hexagon and then take away the area of the smaller one, which we know to be 6, so the area of the darker orange region will be equal to 16, because that's the factor that the area increases, times the area of the smaller one, which is 6, and then take away the area of the smaller hexagon, which is taken away 6, and that will give a final answer of 90 centimeters squared. So this has been a video to show you how to use similar shapes in order to calculate the area. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.